Are you having trouble reading text on your Samsung phone? In this video, I'll show you how to increase the text size on your Samsung phone so that it's easier to read. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open the Settings app on your Samsung device, scroll down a bit, and tap Display. After that, scroll down and tap where it says Font Size and Style. Once you are on this page, you can adjust the font size. If you want to increase the text size, simply move this slider to the right, and at the top, it will show you a little preview of what the text size is going to be. So go ahead and adjust until you can comfortably read that text with no issue. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.